Dey. I read in class 3. Today I am going to tell a story. The name of the story is Crow and the Sparrow. Once upon a time there was a crow and a sparrow. The sparrow's house was made of eggs and the crow's house was made of cow dung. One day it rained very heavily. Crow's house got washed away in rain. He went to Sparrow's house and said, "Oh dear Sparrow sister, can I come to your house?" The Sparrow said, "Oh no, Brother Crow. I am bathing to my child, so you cannot come now." Crow flew away and came back after some time. He came to Sparrow's house and said, "Oh dear Sparrow sister, can I come to your house?" The Sparrow said, "Oh no, Brother Crow. I am feeding milk to my child, so you cannot come now." Crow again flew away and came back after some time. He came to Sparrow's house and said, "Oh dear Sparrow sister, can I come to your house?" The Sparrow said, "Oh no, Brother Crow. My child has slept now, so you cannot come now." But the crow did not listen to her. He knew that the sparrow made delicious khichdi. He went to Sparrow's kitchen and sat near the stove and started eating the khichdi. While he was eating the khichdi, his tail got burnt. He immediately flew away and kept on saying, "I ate the khichdi of sparrow and my tail got burnt. Hi, I ate the khichdi of sparrow and my tail got burnt. Hi." So the moral of the story is you cannot eat in someone's house without their permissions. Thank you. Bye.